Egypt, a land of mystery and grandeur. Towering above the desert sands stand silent sentinels, monuments to a civilization long gone. The pyramids, they have captivated the human imagination for millennia. Their scale is immense, their construction baffling. How did a civilization thousands of years ago achieve such feats of engineering? These stone giants whisper tales of pharaohs and gods, of a time when Egypt reigned supreme. Their shadows hold secrets buried beneath tons of rock. Join me on a journey to unlock the mysteries of these ancient wonders. We will explore their history, unravel their secrets, and discover the lives of the people who built them. The pyramids are more than just tombs. They are a window into the heart of a lost civilization. To understand the pyramids, we must first understand the pharaohs. These were no mere kings. They were considered living gods, their power absolute. They ruled over a civilization that flourished for over 3,000 years. The pharaohs believed in an afterlife, a continuation of their earthly reign. Their tombs were not just places of burial, but palaces for eternity. They were filled with treasures meant to accompany the pharaoh into the afterlife. And what better way to declare their power and ensure their legacy than with a pyramid? These colossal structures were statements of divine right, visible for miles across the desert. They were a testament to the pharaoh's power and a guarantee of their place in the afterlife. Nowhere is the grandeur of ancient Egypt more evident than at Giza. This ancient site, located on the outskirts of Cairo, has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike for centuries. The pyramids here are not just architectural marvels. They are symbols of a civilization's ingenuity and ambition. Here on a rocky plateau stand the three most famous pyramids, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure. These monumental structures have stood the test of time, weathering the elements and standing tall as a testament to the power and vision of the pharaohs who commissioned them. Each was built by a different pharaoh, each a testament to the ambition and ingenuity of their age. The construction of these pyramids required not only immense resources, but also sophisticated knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. The Great Pyramid of Khufu is the oldest and largest of the three. It was originally built as a tomb for the pharaoh Khufu and is the only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world that still exists today. For centuries, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world. Standing at an original height of 146.6 meters, it was a marvel of ancient engineering and remains a focal point of study and admiration. Its construction required millions of tons of stone, quarried and transported with astonishing precision. The logistics of building such a massive structure without modern machinery continue to baffle experts and inspire awe. Next to Khufu stands the Pyramid of Khafre, slightly smaller but no less impressive. This pyramid is unique because it still retains some of its original casing stones at the top, giving us a glimpse of how these structures might have originally appeared. It is guarded by the enigmatic Sphinx, its lion body and human head, a symbol of strength and wisdom. The Sphinx itself is a subject of much speculation and mystery, adding to the allure of the Giza Plateau. Finally, the Pyramid of Menkaure, the smallest of the three, completes the trio. Though it is less grand in scale, it is no less significant in terms of its historical and cultural importance. Though smaller in scale, it still inspires awe with its intricate internal chambers and passages. These chambers were designed to protect the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife, showcasing the Egyptians' deep spiritual beliefs and their quest for immortality. The construction of the pyramids remains one of the greatest feats in human history. These monumental structures have stood the test of time, showcasing the incredible capabilities of ancient civilizations. The pyramids, especially those at Giza, continue to captivate the imagination of people around the world. How did the ancient Egyptians, without modern technology, manage to build such colossal structures? This question has puzzled historians, archaeologists, and engineers for centuries. The sheer size and precision of the pyramids make them a marvel of engineering and architectural prowess. The answer lies in a combination of ingenuity, skill, and sheer manpower. The ancient Egyptians were master planners and organizers, capable of mobilizing a large workforce and utilizing available resources to their fullest potential. Their innovative techniques and tools were ahead of their time. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. Instead, they were constructed by a well-organized workforce of skilled laborers. These workers were highly valued and often worked in shifts, ensuring that construction could continue without interruption. Evidence suggests that they were built by skilled laborers working for wages or as a form of taxation. These laborers were provided with food, shelter, and medical care, indicating that their well-being was a priority. This system of labor was crucial for the successful completion of such massive projects. They used simple tools, copper chisels, wooden mallets, and ropes. Despite the simplicity of these tools, the precision with which they were used is astounding. The ancient Egyptians were able to achieve remarkable accuracy in their construction, a testament to their skill and dedication. Yet, they were able to shape and move massive blocks of stone with astonishing accuracy. The transportation and placement of these stones required not only physical strength, but also careful planning and coordination. The methods they used to achieve this feat are still studied and admired today. Ramps were likely used to move the stones up the pyramid's sides, allowing workers to position them with precision. These ramps could have been straight, zigzagging, or circular, each design serving a specific purpose in the construction process. While copper saws and drills were used for shaping, these tools, though primitive by today's standards, were incredibly effective in the hands of skilled craftsmen. The techniques they developed for cutting and shaping stone were innovative and highly efficient. The exact methods remain a subject of debate, adding to the mystique of these ancient wonders. Each new discovery sheds light on the incredible ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians, but also raises new questions. The pyramids stand as a testament to human creativity and determination, inspiring awe and wonder in all who behold them. Section 5. Daily life in the shadow of the pyramids. Life in ancient Egypt was not all about pyramids and pharaohs. While the grand monuments and the stories of the rulers capture our imagination, the daily life of the common people was equally fascinating and essential to the functioning of this ancient civilization. The majority of Egyptians were farmers, craftsmen, or laborers. These individuals formed the backbone of society, ensuring that the economy thrived and that the needs of the population were met. Their skills and hard work were crucial in maintaining the stability and prosperity of ancient Egypt. They lived in villages and towns along the Nile River, their lives dictated by the rhythm of the seasons. The flooding of the Nile brought fertile soil, which was essential for agriculture. This natural cycle determined the planting and harvesting times, and thus the daily routines of the people. The Nile was the lifeblood of Egypt, providing water for crops and transportation. It was the main artery that connected different parts of the country, facilitating trade and communication. The river was also a source of fish, adding to the diet of the Egyptians. Egyptians were skilled farmers, growing wheat, barley, and flax. These crops were not only used for food, but also for making bread, beer, and linen. The agricultural practices were advanced for their time, with the use of irrigation and ploughing techniques that maximized the yield. They also raised cattle, sheep, and goats. These animals provided meat, milk, and wool, which were essential for the diet and clothing of the people. Livestock was also used in religious rituals and as a form of wealth and trade. Life for the average Egyptian was hard work, but it was also a time of great cultural flourishing. Festivals, music, and dance were integral parts of their lives, providing a respite from the daily toil. The community gatherings and celebrations strengthened social bonds and cultural identity. The Egyptians developed a rich culture with a complex system of writing, art, and religion. Hieroglyphs were used to record important events, religious texts, and administrative documents. Art was not only decorative, but also served religious and political purposes, depicting gods, pharaohs, and everyday life. Their beliefs in the afterlife permeated every aspect of their lives, influencing their art, architecture, and burial practices. The construction of elaborate tombs and the practice of mummification were driven by the desire to ensure a safe passage to the afterlife. These practices reflect the deep spiritual beliefs and the importance of religion in ancient Egyptian society. While the Giza pyramids are the most famous, they are not the only ones in Egypt. Over 100 pyramids dot the Egyptian landscape, each a testament to a different pharaoh and era. At Saqqara, we find the step pyramid of Djoser, the earliest known pyramid. Its step design represents a significant step in the evolution of pyramid building. At Dashur, the bent pyramid stands as a curious anomaly, its sloping sides a testament to architectural experimentation. These pyramids, though less visited, offer a fascinating glimpse into the development of pyramid building and the changing architectural styles over time. They are a reminder that the Giza pyramids are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to exploring ancient Egypt's architectural wonders. For centuries, the pyramids have held their secrets close. But in recent times, archaeologists have begun to unlock some of their mysteries. New technologies like ground-penetrating radar and three-dimensional modeling are allowing us to peer inside the pyramids without disturbing them. These techniques have revealed hidden chambers, secret passages, and even ancient artifacts. In 2017, a massive void was discovered within the Great Pyramid of Khufu, its purpose still unknown. Such discoveries fuel our fascination with these ancient structures, reminding us that there is still much to learn about them. Today, the pyramids stand as guardians of time, silent witnesses to the rise and fall of a great civilization. They have weathered the test of millennia, their imposing forms largely unchanged. Tourists from around the world flock to marvel at their scale and grandeur, to stand in the shadow of history. But the pyramids are more than just tourist attractions. They are a powerful reminder of human ingenuity, perseverance, and the enduring power of belief. They challenge us to consider our place in the grand scheme of time and inspire us to uncover the secrets of our past. The story of the pyramids is far from over. New discoveries are being made all the time, adding to our understanding of these ancient wonders. I urge you to delve deeper into this fascinating world, to explore the history, the mysteries, and the enduring legacy of the pyramids. Visit Egypt. Stand in the shadow of these magnificent structures. Let their presence wash over you and feel the weight of history. The pyramids are more than just stones. They are a testament to the human spirit, a reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big.